Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain you how you can close your Worldremit account. So let's get started. Start by opening your preferred browser and going to the official Worldremit website at worldremit.com. Make sure you're signed into the account that you want to close. To verify the steps for closing your account, you can visit the Help section on the Worldremit website. From the main menu, go to Help, then select My Account. Within this section, you'll find a topic labeled, How do I close my Worldremit account? If you click on it, you'll see that Worldremit doesn't allow direct account deletion from the website or app. Instead, it clearly states that you need to contact their support team to request account closure. Click on the Contact Us button within that page, and you'll be redirected to a support page where you'll find customer service numbers based on your region or country. Scroll through the list, find your country, and call the number provided. Let the representative know you'd like to permanently close your account. They'll ask you for some verification details such as your registered email or a form of ID to confirm your identity. In some cases, they might follow up via email with additional steps like sending a scanned ID or confirming your request in writing. Once that's done and everything checks out, your account will be scheduled for permanent closure.